Hello everyone, my name is Nivesh and I'll be sharing with you my email presentation. Let me share my screen. Yeah, okay. So for question one, it says input value for y equals to x squared plus bx plus c using spreadsheet from for given x values in the table. So I converted the y equals x squared plus bx plus c into this above formula. As you can see, a13 squared plus f4 times a13 plus h4. So I subbed in the values of my b, c, and x accordingly to find the value of y, which is -5 in this case. I did this accordingly for all of the values as you can see in this table. So for question 2, display both curves on the same graph using the table of values. Second graph to change with different B and C inputs. So for this one, the blue graph represents y equals to x squared, while the red graph represents y equals to x squared plus bx plus c. So as you can see, when I change the values, let's say I put 4, and this one I'll put as 8. So when I change the values, the graph changes accordingly as well. So it can be for any value. Yeah. So let me change it back. Okay. So for question 3, display numeric discriminant and numeric solutions to the equation x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Values to change for different b, c inputs. So the numeric discriminant is 29. How I got 29 was that I used the formula of b squared minus 4ac. So how I got that formula was that how I used the formula was that so b in this case is 7, as you can see. So 7 square minus 4 ac, and a in this case is 1 while c is 5. So when you do the calculation, you will get 29 because 7 squared is 49. 49 minus 5 times 4 is 20. So that will give you 49 minus 20, which is 29. So c is the numerical discriminant is 29. So the solutions for this is negative 0.80742 and negative 6.1928. So how I got these two was that I used the quadratic equation to find the value of x. I've used the quadratic equation to find the value of x, and then I square root the function to find the value of x in both of these cells. Yeah, so I got these two values. So given the function is completed in square form of this, verbally explain how the graph of this is shifted from the basic graph y equals x squared for given b and c inputs. So given that y equals x plus b over 2 square plus c minus b square over 4, it's a completed square form, y equals x squared plus bx plus c. The term x plus b over 2 controls the horizontal shift for any value of b input, and the term c minus b squared over 4 controls the vertical shift for any given b and c input of the graph from the graph y equals to x squared. So verbally explain the changes in solutions for different discriminant values and display your conclusion statement. So given that discriminant equals to b squared minus 4ac, where b and c can be changed and a is just the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. The changes in solution is in regards to the discriminant values. D is greater than 0, which result in 2 solutions. D equals to 0, which results in 1 solution, and D lesser than 0 results in 2 complex situations. Yeah, thank you. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for listening.